is not for us. They are working against us. This has been for over 1 hour 30 minutes. There is no sign of relief to those people living in this place. I tell you, this is what is happening in Anambra State. Can you see this? Where men and women are helpless. They cannot do anything. Their governors and the people taking care of them, all they know is to how to loot and take money from these people, but they never give concern to what they are doing, what they are going through. This is what we are going through. Onitsha is one of the hottest cities in Anambra State. Onitsha is one of the hottest places in Anambra State. The presence of the fire service are not found in this place. Then you see how things are going down.
For 4 hours.
For 4 hours now.
No.
Do you know exactly what happened? How did it happen?
No fire service.
Okay, you can hear what people are saying.
We are helpless.
You can hear what people are saying. You can see that. Do you see Onitsha, Anambra State, where Willie Obiano is in charge? Where is the presence of the government? Who is their duty to save men and women? Can you see this? All this building here is gone. All this building here is completely gone.
Hey! Hey! God help us. God help you. We don't have anything. Look. We don't have anything like
okay, Pa Bereba. Papa Gabute the thing. What are you? Go ahead and say your mind. This is your TV platform. You have the right to say whatever you want to say.
Even in this rainy season, we couldn't see even water for the attack. We are finished. God, come and help us.
Did you see what it is? Okay, now look at, can you see this? They just surface with a half tanker. What can they do with this? At the end of the whole thing, can you see this? This is the kind of country we find ourselves. This is the kind of country we find ourselves. Because they just came very late. Look at that. This is the kind of country. They don't have water. Can you see this? Yes. This is the kind of country we deserve. Oh, I want to thank you, Biafrans, wherever you are. This is the country you are longing for. They have cheated you in so many ways. They have cheated you in so many ways. Can you see this? They only come when their life has gone. That is when they come to rescue. All hell Biafra. That is the reason why we are agitating for the land to be restored. When we are restored our nation, Biafra, this calamity will not befall us anymore. It is only here that we don't have people who take care of us. The government only sit and talk about how to loop people. Can you see this? Can you see this? Okay.
The head of the tank.
This is the truck that ignited these lights. Can you see this? This is the very truck that ignited all this calamity in Anambra State. It is owned by nobody than the Hausa Fulani, who has devised so many means in making sure that they wipe the life of the Biafrans all over this zoological country. And this is exactly what we are seeing here, because it has been a game. Remember last year we showed you a footage of what happened exactly this place, when they killed almost 40 people doing business in this place. Today now they've rendered millions homeless, damaged so many business. They damaged so many business. Can you talk to me on camera, please? You see, that is the mind of our people.
Oh my goodness.
Let me report against the reason. Both camera.
Okay.
Yeah, dear friends all over the world, thank you, lovers of freedom. We have one thing that we propagate, and that gospel we propagate is to make sure that the land of Biafra is restored. Nothing more than that. Exactly what the picture you've seen here today is the kind of thing we'll get in return. Do you know that these people have so many ways to plan as terminating the Igbo people? It is just a tanker that just lost control. At the end of the whole thing, nothing happens to this thing because the issue there is that they will not be able to piece us together, but the issue remains that we know exactly the game, and the game is to terminate the Igbo people. But you know one thing, after this incident, the sitting governor of this very state has never showed anything, and a kangaroo move of their desire to make sure that they put the life of these people in jeopardy. They're just a little tanker that cannot control up to 2,000 gallons of water just came after 4 hours of this incident. We are not talking about that. We want to let you know that millions of lives have gone down in this very incident that is going on here in Anambra State. Apart from the millions of lives, business worth of millions are hidden in this place. But as of today and as of now, nothing has happened. Let's see what the governor will say at the end of this incident tomorrow, because we know definitely that he will come up to defend his office. But we want to let you know that indeed we know their work. What has happened? For past 4 hours, the fire service could not come to rescue the business of the people or rescue the children that are trapped in all these buildings. It is a shame to whatever you call democracy in this zoological country. It is also a shame to those Igbos who have what it takes that is talking about one Nigeria. It is also a shame to hear that our governors are the one planting all these things. When we talk about freedom of the people, that is the only way for emancipation. That is the only way to take away everything that you need to know. We are not here talking about anything, but want to let you know that this is exactly what they are doing to us. Let them come out and prove to us that they don't know how to rectify this issue. When we are saved as a sovereign nation, we tidy up our nation, because every skill is endowed in the brain and the ideology of an Igbo person. Can you see this? This is exactly hopeless situation in Anambra State. Nobody to rescue them. Nobody to rescue them. The government is not there to rescue them. The masses are not, they are just suffering on their own. This is exactly what we are bringing to you. Please keep updating and share this video for the whole world to know that this is exactly what we are going through. I remain your man reporting for BTV.
No one single fire service. I see one Nigeria, two country. I call out my body. No one fire service. All the houses are being burned down. Look at. He's not online. On this now, to give up the now, has done that. Let me explain it. Yeah,